months after he survived an impeachment, days after he called out the judiciary-executive relationship, hours after he scheduled a meeting in Sansad with the Business Advisory Committee, Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned.
तो मैं बताना चाहता हूं, झुकना और नमस्कार करना मेरी आदत है.
The Indian Vice President's sudden resignation has left many speculating. Why did he step down? What was the real reason? The questions are many. In his resignation, 74-year-old Dhankar said that he would prioritize his health. On the first day of the much-awaited monsoon session of the Parliament, the Vice President dropped this bombshell.
So this came along as a sudden move last evening. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned from his post citing medical reasons.
Either he is giving a hint to the Modi ji that I am retiring on 74, probably you should also retire at 75.
देखिए ये बड़ा ही शॉकिंग है सबके लिए, क्योंकि पार्लियामेंट में जब आए तो ऐसा नहीं लगा कि उनको रिजाइन देने लायक स्वास्थ्य गड़बड़ है.
After V.V. Giri and R. Venkatraman, Jagdeep Dhankar is the third Indian Vice President to resign mid-term. Both Giri and Venkatraman stepped down to contest the presidential polls. But this time, that does not seem to be the case. As Netas question and defend, the other big question is, what happens when a VP quits mid-term? After all, the Vice President is also the chairperson of the upper house of the Indian Parliament. So how will this vacancy be filled? As per the constitutional provisions, the Vice President's post shall be filled within 60 days. Now with Dhankar's resignation, the next elections must be held before September 19. The Election Commission of India will announce the schedule for these elections soon. Notably, the Vice President is also the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. Therefore, the elections ensure the upper house continues to have a presiding officer. Now with the chairperson's seat vacated, the deputy takes over the duties. Currently, Rajya Sabha's deputy chairperson is Harivansh Narayan Singh. A common man in India does not vote to elect the Vice President. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members vote to elect the VP through a single transferable vote system. Unlike the presidential polls, state legislators do not participate in vice presidential elections. Jagdeep Dhankar was elected as the Vice President in 2022. His term as Rajya Sabha chairman has been bittersweet. In December 2024, the opposition united to bring a no confidence motion against him.
पहली बार 72 सालों में विपक्ष की पार्टियों ने राज्यसभा में चेयरमैन साहब को लेकर एक प्रस्ताव मोशन सबमिट किया है. ये दर्शाता है कि स्थिति कितनी बिगड़ गई है.
You are number one in my heart. Sir, you are number one in my heart.
I know that your heart is very large, but that is that side, not this side.
For a change, leader of the house has a good point. Biologically, heart is on the left side. My heart is this side, sir. मुझे आजकल ये भी देखना पड़ रहा है, कितना झुकूं, किसके सामने झुकूं, फोटोग्राफर कहाँ से क्या ले रहा है, कौन इंस्टाग्राम पर डाल देगा, कौन ट्विटर पर डाल देगा, कौन मेरी रीढ़ की हड्डी को तय करने लगेगा. तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, झुकना और नमस्कार करना मेरी आदत है.
Several theories and speculations are rife around VP's exit. The coming days and this long monsoon session may paint a clear picture of the next candidates for this post.